Our product that we're exhibiting in the BEX Asia today is the robotic welder, and we call it the collaborative welding robot because it facilitates the welder in his welding activity by simplifying the process of welding. He doesn't need to be physically involved in the welding. The robot takes over the tough work of his welding process because he uses a very simple drag pull mechanism to bring the robot to the start point and the end point, and the robot will automatically do the welding for him. There's no need to upload a 3D model into the system. Very easy for a normal welder to learn and pick up and utilize the system. So it's a very simple, lightweight robot, and I hope that it will be very useful for many industries.